after all of that, my mom hates me but I become famous chef. Sana hindi mali si mommy. Oh my gosh. Please, please, please. Mom? Ano oras na, Caitlin? 7 po. 7 p.m. na. Bakit late ka naman umuwi? Maaga pa naman bumame. Ano maaga, Caitlin? You're so stubborn. Alam mo, bakit ba kasi ikaw yung naging anak ko? Sana iba na lang eh. Kung hindi lang sana kami nagkakilala ng daddy mo, wala ka ngayon sa buhay ko. You're such worthless person I've ever raised. Mommy, sorry po, pero I'm trying hard naman po para maging good daughter sa inyo eh. Burnout na nga po ako sa school, burnout pa rin po ako dito sa house. Hindi wala akong paki sa'yo ha. Tsaka alam mo, bakit pa nga ba ako nagkakaroon ng care about sa pag-late umunang late? Eh gusto ko na makita ka sa news na wala ka na eh. What? Wala, matulog ka na. Sabi ko. Huh, so tired with this. Mommy. Che! Sinabi niya yun? Sinabi niya sana wala na lang ako. Bakit? Tinry ko naman lahat ng best ko ah. Tinry ko naman maging good daughter, but she never appreciated. Okay, magsisimula na ang ating competition. Tapos mo yung dalawang yun. Kaya nga, nako, nagpapaganda ang mga yun. Maghintay kasi kayo. Magkakasabat. Ay. Okay, nakalive po tayo ngayon at maraming nanonood sa atin. Please, this is our judges. We have Miss Amy. Hello. And we have Sir John. Hi. And we have Miss Angela. Hello. Okay, now we're waiting for our chefs. Okay, just wait a minute. Hey girls, you need to be faster. Be quick. Haha, do you think na matatalo mo ako? No way. Oo na, manahimik ka na nga dyan. Make sure na hindi ka mag-cheat. Excuse me, I'm a cheater. I'm expert. O di ikaw na, panalo ka na. Ikaw na, sige na. Che, tara na nga. Okay guys, there they are. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna win yung bestie. Please. Hi. Okay. Now, please, we have Caitlin. And we have, bakit pinapasabihin pa nga natin? Don't be rude, Mom. Ma'am Clavia. Okay, Mom Clavia. Okay, now let's start the competition. And 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, now that is a dinner and a dessert. No problem. I can do that. Okay, we're done. Now let's have a taste test with the judges. Okay, please. I'll taste it. First with this girl. Oh, dessert. I mean the dinner dish. What do you think, Mom? Mamaya pa po natin ipapakita ang ating result sa mga judges. And the dessert. Okay, it's your turn. Dessert. Okay. Fast forward. Okay, tapos na mga judges kumain. Now, Mom, who do you think will be the winner of this day? Me, oh. The first girl named Clavia. Yes, Mom? I don't like your dessert. Your dessert. Huh? Bakit po? It's too common and alam ko naman na maraming gumagawa niyan in internet. And I know na kinuha mo lang yung recipe in the internet. I hate it. And, tsaka super sweet, kukuha ka na nga lang ng recipe. Palpak pa. I hate it. And the dinner dish, I mean, it's not tasty. Yung yung potato, mukhang hindi fresh. And the steak like that, it's so very, very not tasty. I hate it. And the second one, I love your dessert. Thank you, Mom. Kasi parang ginawa niya yon in her real, yung sariling own recipe niya. I love it. The dinner dish naman, sobrang sarap din. Like, parang ginawa niya yun with love. I love it. And yeah, that's my opinion. How about this two? I love the name Caitlin. Me as well, Caitlin. Okay, and the winner is Miss Caitlin! And Miss Caitlin, congrats, you won. Oh my gosh, bestie! You won! Oh my gosh, congrats! Ano ba? Kaibigan mo ako, di ba? Ay, sorry. Nako, thank you very much po. You won this award and 200,000 cash. Nako, maraming salamat po. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, thank you for participating to us. You can now may go home. And thank you for those who watch. And thank you for the judges. Thank you! Ano ba yan? Bakit hindi ako nanalo? Binigay ko naman natin best ko. Naku, thank you very much po. Okay, now let's clean this up. Girl, congrats! Congrats! Tayo mo kaibigan mo. Ay. Sige, take congrats kay Tarina. Naku. Ano ba yung nagtatay mo dyan? Manadisappoint kasi dito si mommy tsaka si daddy. What if hindi nila ako pag-aralan sa ibang bansa? Girl! Wait ha. Kuhanin mo muna to. Okay. Oh, Iha, anong ginagawa mo dito? Gabing-gabi na. Wala po. O siya, sige, maiwan mo na kita ha. Naku, andito lang naman ako. Kung may kailangan ka, tawagin mo ako. Sige po, maraming salamat po. Sige. Clavia, ano ginagawa mo dito? Andito ka ba para asayin ako? Para sabihin mo na nanalo ka at mali ako kasi ininsulto kita? Ganun ba? Clavia, hindi ako ganung tao. Gusto ko lang i-comfort ka. And I just want to say sorry if baka mawalan ka ng pag-asa magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. It's not your fault naman, it's my fault. Masyado kasi akong mayabang. And you know what? I realize that you're a good person. Hindi ko nga alam bakit kita ginaway eh. Maybe I'm just being too selfish and, you know. Clavia, I understand. Tsaka you do need to be harsh naman eh. People change. And you'll be changed too. I promise. I trust you. No, I can change. I'm a bad person in my forever life. Tsaka, nakakaya. Bakit ba nandito ka? Kino-comfort mo ko. Sa lahat ng ginawa ko sa'yo, andito ka pa rin. Clavia, I feel you. Naiintindihan kita. I feel you. Bakit ba ang bait-bait mo sa akin? Even thought na sobrang sama ko sa'yo. Clavia, it's fine. You don't need to sorry, okay? I understand. Thank you so much, ha? Thank you very much. Can we be friends? I mean, yes, sure, why not? And, alam mo, bibili ko lang siya award ko. Ha? Naku, hindi na, sing-sing na yun. Ano ka ba naman? Let's just be friends. Sure ka? Oo naman, no. Tsaka, turuan na akong gumawa ng food. If okay lang sa'yo. Okay naman, don't worry, yun lang naman pala eh. Thank you. Clavia, Caitlyn, asan ba kasi kayo? Ayun ang mga mamain na to. Bakit parang magkaibigan na kayo? Yes, we're friends na. And alam niyo ba, na Caitlyn and I are close talaga. Huh? Before childhood. Naalala ko kasi na childhood friend ko siya. And dinadhala nga talaga kami para maging friends. What a plot twist! O, tayo na muna tayo. Caitlyn, sila ulo ka. Bakit? Ano ba? Gat-gat mami mo sa akin. What? Si tita? Oh my gosh! I need to go home! Sundan ka na kaya namin. Naku, wag na. Sundan na natin siya for good. Tara. Wait for part 3.